G'day guys, Burn Dog from Bird Dog Garage here. Today we're going to be removing the rear brake cylinder on our Rover P5 Mark 1. I'm Burn Dog from Bird Dog's Garage. So as I said before guys, today we're going to be removing the brake cylinder here on Mk1. We've named our P5. I've already jacked up the car and loosened off the wheel nuts, so it's going to be a little bit easier for us to get into here. So let's get started. So now that wheel's removed, we've got the brake drum here. Now there is some anti-rattle screws in here. One, two, three. So, being an older car, this has probably got asbestos brake parts in here, so I'm just going to be very careful as I take this off. So, absolutely no wear at all on the drums, nor on the shoes. These have been changed. I dare say the last owner, as he was starting to restore the car, had done these. Here, just got a spray bottle full of water. I'm just going to spray this down just to get rid of any airborne asbestos particles. Lots of water, it won't damage the brakes. Just got some cardboard down to collect it all. And there's that there. All I've got to do is simply pop off the brake shoes here. Actually, before I do that, take them off completely, I'm just going to quickly grab my headlight to get a bit more light on the matter. And just going to take a couple of pictures. Mainly which holes the springs are in. So that'll make life a lot easier when it comes to reassembling. I never like dealing with brake drums, but as someone's been in here and been doing some work before, it's actually a little bit easier for me. So, let's have water and get in behind. And give the fittings a nice spray with some penetrating oil. unfortunately you can't see too much of this, but so the first thing I'm doing is removing a split pin that is connected to the park brake or emergency brake line here. So that's a solid bar. So that's removed there. It's actually screwed in as well, the pins. That's the pin removed. I'm just going to sit it back up in there, screw it back in place, and then it can't be lost. Now, just going to quickly get a rag to knock some of this muck off. Right. So now I will remove the bleeder off the top of the brakes here. So that. And that's it loosened now. I'll just whiz it off. That's the bleeder removed now. We've got a brake line to remove. Once again with the flare spanners. So that's carefully undone there. Now there's 3 bolts into the back of this. They were actually all quite loose, so someone definitely has been up in here. Free. So there we have it. A little bit of a wipe off there. That's the rear brake cylinder. So that is where the park brake would activate it and make it go up and down. But it is seized there, so I will once again get this sent off to my brake guy and let him go through it and service it there for us. So remove that headlamp in case it's shining into the cameras, but yes, that's where the bleeder was and that's where the brake line went in. So that's the brake cylinder there from the back. Cheers, we'll see you next time.